Just a quick update on the CT125 trials bike build. We're having a bit of slow progress with the carbon fibre tank. I've got the shape mostly done, but we're having to build a new shed and do a little bit of a move, so it's gone on the back burner, and then this weekend we have our final trial for the year, so off for a Christmas break. But in the meantime, we've added a 3D printer, so here's a bit of This is not sponsored, but we have added a 3D printer to the tool shed. We got the Ender 3 V3KE, which is capable of printing ABS. So this weekend I've done some test prints. First one was the chain guard, which we've had files for quite a while, and then also have the Speedo tacho. Was on the front of the trials bike, and having a bit of a tumble down the bank, managed to smash the plastic casing for it. So I have designed a new case for it. So here we have it. This is just a bit of a test print done in PLA, but I'll do it in ABS once we get it the right scale and fitting. So this is the structure that it automatically works out to bridge the printing so it doesn't all fall apart. So you just have to go through and peel that out. Bit of a task, but makes for quite a nice print. The tacho hour meter, just a simple single lead that wraps around the spark plug lead. So excellent thing to have on a bike, especially with a bit of tuning and also testing through your servicing intervals. But fragile in the casing, so I've cardboard designed a box or a housing, and I'll put it into CAD and then print one out and see how it goes. This is the CAD work for the tacho and hour meter. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.